Let me tell you about this life. Life is about survival of the fittest. When you are not behaving the way others behave, definitely there's going to be a clash of interest. They feel like you're trying to subdue them, but in other words, they are the ones trying to subdue you because they want you to be controlled and to be tamed. So any person practicing ordinary Igbo spirituality must be someone that is highly disciplined. You must be someone that knows your ground. You must be someone that says the truth. You must be someone that always stick by integrity. And like you can see in my hand, this is what we call offer. This is what separates the boys from the men. This is what separates people from people. So whoever that is holding this must be someone that stands by the truth, because the land, there are forces in the land forces, they will always come to your aid whenever you are being persecuted. So many people today are behind bars. So many people have been jailed for something that they didn't know anything about. So many people have been implicated. So many people have been accused wrongly because they don't have anybody to fight for them. So you that you're practicing ordinary spirituality, you always have spiritual forces that are always backing you up and fighting on your behalf. If anyone is trying to gang up or trying to look for your trouble, you don't have to panic. You don't even have to fight back. You don't have to exchange words or challenge them physically. All you need is just go and talk to your spiritual forces. They will make sure that all of them will be dealt with accordingly. Because our Igbo people said, Onye kwuru no chefu, onye agwara anaghị echefu. He who says something may forget. The person that was said something to will not forget. So if you're someone that is practicing ordinary Igbo spirituality, you must stand your ground. You must be somebody that is resolute. You must be highly disciplined. You must know how to talk. Whether you're in the public or whether you're having a private discussion, people are going to try you. People are going to find issues with you. People actually want you to blend with their own way. They believe that whatever they're doing is what you are supposed to be doing. So if it doesn't work that way, then they'll start seeing you as being diabolical or being satanic, or seeing you as being someone that is doing something wrongly. So you have to stand your ground and stick to what you know. Let the land forces fight for you. Let the forces from the sun fight for you. Let the forces from the universe fight on your behalf. That these forces are there before human beings were created. And these forces act as angels. If some people will come to me and say, somebody's looking for their trouble, they want to do this and do that, I say, do not revenge. Do not revenge. Because if you prepare a charm to fight somebody, that charm may not hit the person because the attack might not be from the person. The attack might not be from the person that you are thinking is your enemy. The attack might be from someone very close to you. So you might be hitting the wrong target. So the best thing that you're supposed to do is allow the spiritual forces to fight on your behalf. That is why I'm asking those people that have not partnered with any deity. If you are an Igbo person that you have not partnered with any deity, you're actually wasting time. There are deities are like angels. There are deities that are saddled with the responsibility of providing. Some are just for safekeeping. Some are actually to provide security. Some are actually there to provide goodies of life, to make things easier for you. So if you are trying to know about deities and how to partner with them, I have a lot of deities in my temple which I venerate each and every day, and all of them are working perfectly. Deities are angels, and they are always doing things. They always make you laugh. They always make you smile. They'll always be putting smiles on your face. They will make sure your pocket does not go dry. That's the way people are expecting you to make money. That's not how the way money comes. Money is an energy. Money is an energy. And if you know how to tap into the energy, streams of energy, you'll be able to be making money. So that's one secret that most people That's one secret that most people have not been told so far. So partnering with deities is a way of securing yourself and making sure there's no physical or psychic attack that will get to you. So if you are interested in what I just discussed now, chat me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 09040113281. A smile will surely come to your face. Maybe you are the one that they will use and rescue that family from poverty. Maybe you're the one that will rescue that family from abject poverty. So don't agree with whatever they've told you about deities killing people, doing this, and all those things are lies. All those things are lies. When there's a dangerous one that I always ask people to desist from, which is Okite. That one is a no-go area. But there are good ones. There are good ones that bring aweli, that brings good tidings, that makes you always smile, that makes you always look fresh. So that is all I want to say here. If you like this video, if you enjoy this video, you can like it, and you can also save this video maybe to watch it again. And just in case you have any question you want to ask me, you can ask me any question personally. Still chat me on that WhatsApp number 09040113281. Yagazie.